Grabe na ako bago yung performance
Late
niya.
reaction. Ang galing mo! Nandito nga sa dyan!
Nag-enjoy kayo? Nag-enjoy kayo? First of all, maraming salamat sa pagpunta. I hope that you're having fun. And alam ko, meron pa kayong ginagawa and yung iba sa inyo, siguro may mga work. But still, thank you so much sa pagpiling sa pagpunta dito para manood ng concert ko. Ano yung iba siguro sa inyo ito nag-leave. So good, no? Yeah, but there's just one thing I was sasabihin sa inyo. Alam ko na recently lang mayroong bagyo. But you know, I just hope na safe yung everyone. Safe yung lahat. And, ayun. Tonight. Magandyan lang tayo lahat. Okay ba yan? So, before ako mag-proceed sa next song ko kasi alam niyo na sa performance ko, ayaw ko talaga na pinapatagal, right? Gusto ko lang kumanta talaga without talking so much. But to give you a little story, the next song ko is actually written by an artist, a friend of mine. She's from Belgium. It's originally written by her. And you know, there's just one message I just want to sabihin. Do not let anyone take advantage of you. Yeah. Be brave. You guys are beautiful. You guys are pretty. Know your worth. Know your worth. Be strong. Next song's called Breathe.